Good morning. Today we are going to learn the next chapter, chapter 3, power of linear equation in two variable. This linear equation in two variable we have studied in class 9 itself. What is the linear equation? What is the general form of the linear equation? How to find solution for this linear equation? How to represent the solution graphically? How to represent this linear equation in one variable and two variable. Everything we have studied in detail in the class 9. Now the further extension we are going to study here. Now whatever we have learned, just we will recall, then we will go further here. Linear equation in one variable. Now this is a general form of linear equation in one variable, that is ax plus b, that is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers. Condition is a not equal to 0. Suppose if a becomes 0 means this term will not be there, only the constant term will be there. This will not be the linear equation. Therefore the condition a not equal to 0 is must here. So example here is 2x plus 3 equal to 0. This is linear equation in one variable. Next, linear equation in two variables. We have studied the linear equation in two variable general format is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, B, C are real numbers. All these numbers are real numbers, and A and B are both not 0. These two should not be 0. Suppose if any one becomes 0, what will happen here? See, let us assume that A becomes 0 here. So A into x, that is 0 into x, will become 0. If this x is not there means then by plus c will be there. Then this will be the linear equation in one variable. Therefore the condition a and b are not 0. This is must condition. This we can say it as a square plus b square is not equal to 0 also. Now the example for the linear equation in two variable is 3x plus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is an example for linear equation in two variables. Now pair of linear equation. Our topic is pair of linear. Before that we have studied only this much, linear equation in two variable. Now I have pair of linear equation. Pair means two. So the same equation we are going to take two equations here. Say let us assume the general format of the linear equation is this one, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Now let us take another one equation as a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. See that a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, all these numbers are real numbers. If one equation is there, the condition is a square plus b square is not equal to 0. Suppose if two equation we have, the same thing we have tried for both the equation, that is a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. Now example for this pair of linear equation, you can write any example. Two variables should be there. It should be in general format. 5x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0, x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Now these are the examples for pair of linear equation. The next is method to find solution for pair of linear equation. If a linear equation is given means how we will find the solution here. Suppose 3x plus 5y equal to 5. If this is a linear equation in two variable given, we will give the value for x and we will find the value for y. That values we will record in the tabular column, and that tabular column values we will represent graphically. Same here also we have few methods to find the solution here. One is algebraic method and another is graphical method. See, this thing we can find solution and we can represent in the graph. Similarly, if I have another equation, let us assume 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Now if I have two equations, for first one I will get the equation like this. For second one, if I am getting the equation like this, means these two lines it will intersect at one point. Then that point will be the value of x and y for both the equation, because that will be the solution for this given two pair of equation. The same thing only we are going to study here. First is graphical method and second is first is algebraic method and second is the graphical method. Now algebraic method means, below that we have three methods. First is substitution method, that is giving values for x and finding the values for y. Next is elimination method. Elimination means just cancelling the value of x, making that coefficient same and cancelling x value and finding y value. Then y value we will be substituting in x and we will be finding the xy value. Then the last method is cross multiplication method. This we will see in detail. Then the next one is graphical method. Graphical method is what we have learned in the last year. See here, suppose two equation is given, I will get two lines. One line is this one, second line is this one. If these two lines intersect at one point, this point I will have some x and some y will be there. This x and y is common for the line 1 and the line 2. Therefore, this x and y will be the solution of this given two pair of linear equation. In this case, two lines intersect at one point. If it is intersecting at one point, then I have one solution for this two given equation. Now let us take the next case. These two lines are there. Suppose these two lines are coinciding. See here, the red line is line 1. The black line I have drawn is line 2. These two lines are intersecting at this point. They have the common point here. In the before cases, I have only one point, but here I have many points are here. This is the next case. Here I have many solutions here. Now in the third case, see that two lines are there, but these two lines does not touch. They maintain a same distance between these two lines here. If it is maintaining some distance between these two lines, means then we can say that these two lines are parallel. They will not intersect at any point. In that case, we will not able to find the solution for these two. That is, there is no common x comma y point in this type if I have the pair of linear equation lines. Therefore, this has no solution here. Suppose if it is coinciding here, means so many points are there. Therefore, I have many solution. I have here many solution. If here it does not intersect, so here I have no solution. In the first case, only intersecting at one point. Therefore, it has one solution. So, for finding this solution for the pair of linear equation in two variable and representing in the graphical method, we have three types of solution. First is only one solution, second is many solution, and the third is no solution. One solution means intersecting at one point. Many solution means intersects at many points. No solution means does not intersect at any point. Now these are the types of solution we have for the pair of linear equation.